How to use Messenger without Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Messenger without Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll actually need to know is that you cannot have a Messenger account without having a Facebook account. So the first thing that you'll need to do is have a Facebook account to be able to use Messenger. But after that, what you can do is you can deactivate your Facebook account to just keep using Messenger. Now, that is called a deactivated except Messenger account. It's called a DMA account. So if you want to do that, all you have to do is open up your Facebook associated to that very Messenger account. And after you do that, you'll have to deactivate this account. To do that, after you open up your Facebook, head over to the menu section that is on the bottom right corner, tap on menu. And after you do that, tap on the gear icon on the top right corner or just tap on the settings and privacy on the bottom. After you do that, head over to the settings option, tap on settings, and after you do that, you'll find Meta's account center. Tap on Meta's account center, and after you do that, you'll be on account settings. Under account settings section, head over to your information and permission. Tap on it. And after you do that, you will see account ownership and control. Tap on account ownership and control. And after you do that, select the deactivation or deletion. Tap on deactivation or deletion and then select your account. After you do that, you will see deactivate account. Make sure you do not delete your account, as deleting your account will also lead to deleting your Messenger account. So tap on deactivate account and then tap on continue. After you do that, you'll have to type in your password to just deactivate your account, and it's that simple. And after you deactivate your account, you will no longer have the Facebook, but your Messenger account will still be working. And that's basically how you create a DMA account, deactivated except Messenger account. And yeah, that's how you use Messenger without Facebook. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.